Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Palo Alto Certified Network Security Administrator PCNSA. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, you can download it from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. Our question is, how do you configure decryption broker groups for scalability and fault tolerance? Your answer should be, decryption broker groups allows administrator to group multiple decryption brokers for load balancing and high availability. They are configured by specifying the decryption brokers to include in a group and defining failover and load balancing settings. Our next question is, what is the purpose of SSL decryption in Palo Alto network firewalls and how do you configure it? Your answer should be, SSL decryption allows Palo Alto network firewalls to inspect and control SSL TLS encrypted traffic for threats and policy management. It involves creating decryption policies, importing trusted CA certificates, and defining decryption rules based on various criteria. Our next question is, explain the concept of zero protection profiles in Palo Alto network firewalls. Your answer should be, zone protection profiles provide additional security measures by protecting network zones against various types of attacks such as SYN floods, UDP floods, ICMP floods, and other type of DOS attacks. These profiles are applied to zones to enforce specific protection mechanism. Our next question is, how do you configure NAT policy on Palo Alto network firewalls? Your answer should be, NAT policies on Palo Alto network firewalls are configured to translate source of destination, IP addresses, and ports of packets as they traverse the firewall. This involves defining NAT rules based on source and destination, zones, interfaces, addresses, and services. Our next question is, explain the purpose of DOS protection profiles in Palo Alto network firewalls. Your answer should be, DOS protection profiles define policies and thresholds for mitigating denial of services DOS attacks, protecting network resources, and ensuring availability during volumetric or protocol based attack scenarios. Our next question is, how do you troubleshoot SSL decryption issues on Palo Alto network firewalls? Your answer should be, troubleshooting SSL decryption issues involves checking decryption policy configuration, reviewing SSL decryption logs, verifying certificate validation, and ensuring proper deployment of SSL decryption certificates. Our next question is, what is the role of SSL decryption broker on Palo Alto network deployments? Your answer should be, SSL decryption broker enables centralized SSL decryption and inspection for traffic passing through multiple firewall instances, ensuring consistent security policy, enforcement, and threat prevention. Our next question is, explain the purpose of application override policies on Palo Alto network firewalls. Your answer should be, application override policies allow administrator to customize application behavior and characteristics to accurately identify and control applications traversing the network such as port assignment or protocol settings. Our next question is, how do you configure and manage wildfire analysis profiles on Palo Alto network firewalls? Your answer should be, Wildfire analysis profiles define settings for submitting files and URLs to the wildfire cloud for analysis, enabling detection and prevention of unknown malware, exploits, and advanced threats. Our next question is, explain the role of decryption broker groups in Palo Alto network firewalls. Your answer should be, decryption broker groups allows administrator to group multiple decryption brokers for load balancing and high availability, ensuring scalability and fault tolerance for SSL decryption traffic processing. If you are preparing for any Palo Alto based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, and tested question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.